Make money online with these side hustles for beginners. So, if you're aiming for $100 a day, why not break it down into $10 at a time? Diversification is key. We're all about multiple streams of income. You'll establish 10 streams of income from these 10 side hustles, reaching your goal of at least $100 per day. Welcome to Profitability Plus, where we're here to provide you with valuable information on making money from the comfort of your home. No magic tricks required. In this episode, we're breaking down 10 side hustles that demand no special skills to earn money online. If you're new to Profitability Plus, consider hitting that subscribe button. We're your companions on the journey to financial freedom. And while you're at it, leave a comment with financial freedom to kickstart your manifestation journey. Let's start with side hustle number 1, Respondent. Respondent is a market research platform that pays well. Visit the Respondent website and sign up as a participant. Complete your profile with accurate information to receive relevant survey invitations. Check your email regularly for survey opportunities as they are often sent directly to your inbox. Participate in surveys that match your profile. Some surveys may be more lucrative than others, so choose wisely. Earn money for each completed survey, which can range from $15 to $700, depending on the complexity and length of the survey. Side hustle number 2 is Swagbucks. Swagbucks offers various ways to earn, but for a quick $10, consider participating in discussion panels. Visit the Swagbucks website and create an account. Explore the available earning options, including surveys, watching videos, playing games, and participating in discussion panels. For quick earnings, choose discussion panels. These often involve sharing your opinions on various topics. Complete the panels honestly and attentively to earn Swagbucks points. Once you've accumulated enough points, you can redeem them for cash or gift cards. Side hustle number 3 is TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit allows you to offer your services for various tasks. Whether it's virtual assistants or in-person tasks, you can earn by helping others with their needs. No special skills required for many tasks. Sign up as a tasker on the TaskRabbit platform. Create a detailed profile showcasing your skills and availability. Browse available tasks in your area or choose virtual tasks that you can complete online. Apply for tasks that match your skills and schedule. Communicate with clients, confirm details, and complete the tasks efficiently. Receive payments for your completed tasks, which can vary depending on the task's complexity. Now for side hustle number 4, iWriter. If you have decent writing skills, you can earn extra cash by writing quick articles. Register as a writer on the iWriter platform. Browse available writing requests, including product reviews, how-to guides, and listicles. Choose a writing request that interests you and matches your expertise. Use ChatGPT or writing skills to create a 500-word article meeting the client's requirements. Submit your article for review and receive payment once it's accepted. Side hustle number 5, Testing Websites. Platforms like User Testing, Try My UI, and UserFeel offer tasks that take about 20 minutes and pay $10 per task. Here is how you do it. Sign up on platforms like User Testing, Try My UI, and UserFeel as a tester. Complete qualification tests to become an approved tester. Browse and accept available website testing tasks. Follow the provided instructions to test websites, provide feedback, and record your experience. Submit your test results and receive payments for each completed task. Online surveys and market research are side hustle number 6. Register with Vindale Research or Survey Junkie to participate in surveys that pay $1 to $3 each. Here's the step-by-step guide. Complete several surveys to reach your daily goal. Register on online survey platforms like Vindale Research or Survey Junkie. Complete your profile to receive surveys tailored to your demographics. Participate in available surveys, answering questions honestly. Side hustle number 7 is Amazon Mechanical Turk. This platform offers micro tasks that can't be automated. Tasks like identifying objects in photos or videos can earn you 1 to 10 cents per task. Completing multiple tasks will help you reach your daily target. Learn how it's done. Sign up as a Mechanical Turk worker on Amazon's platform. Browse available micro tasks such as image identification or data entry. Complete tasks accurately and efficiently as per the instructions provided. For side hustle number 8, Inbox Dollars offers various options. You can earn money by taking surveys, watching videos, reading emails, or even playing online games. It's a versatile platform to achieve your daily $10. Here's the breakdown. Create an account on Inbox Dollars. Explore various earning options, including surveys, watching videos, reading emails, and playing games. Select tasks that suit your preferences and interests. And complete tasks to earn cash or rewards. Side hustle number 9 is OneSpace. You can earn around 10 cents or more per task on this platform. While the paper task may seem small, completing just a few tasks can help you reach your daily goal. Here's the way to do it. Sign up on the OneSpace platform as a worker. Browse available micro tasks, which may include data entry or research. Choose tasks that match your skills and interests. Complete tasks accurately and efficiently. Earn money for each completed task, with payouts varying by task complexity. Complete 1 or 2 tasks daily to reach your $10 target. The final side hustle, number 10, is Clickworker. Clickworker offers various micro tasks that pay 1 to 5 cents each. Consistency is key to reaching your daily target, and this platform provides a steady stream of tasks. Here's what you need to do. Register as a Clickworker and complete your profile. Browse available micro tasks such as image tagging or content verification. Select tasks that you're qualified for and interested in. Complete tasks following the provided guidelines. Earn payments ranging from 1 cent to 5 cents per task. Now, think about it. By earning $100 a day through these 10 side hustles, you're on track to make a significant impact on your finances. Regardless of your choice, consistency and dedication are the keys to success. Remember, you can always search for these opportunities online and explore various websites and platforms to get started. Sometimes, the simplest path is the best one. Thank you for joining us on Profitability Plus. We'll be back with more valuable insights soon. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest strategies and tips to boost your financial well-being. Your subscription helps us create more videos to support you on your journey to financial success. Stay tuned and stay motivated.